As a means to understand popular farming practices, I'm using the wine industry and wine production as an example. Three popular methods in viticulture are conventional, organic, and biodynamic agriculture. Let's dive into these and unpack them a bit further though. Conventional wine production utilizes advanced agricultural technologies and synthetic chemicals such as pesticides and fertilizers to enhance yield and maintain consistent quality. This method focuses on efficiency and scalability, catering to global markets and high volume production. Organic wine, on the other hand, prohibits the use of synthetic chemicals, instead relying on natural substances and methods to manage vineyards. Governed by regulations, this approach promotes ecological balance and aims to reduce the environmental footprint of viticulture. Biodynamic wine production extends the principles of organic further and incorporates additional spiritual and mystical principles based on the teachings of Rudolf Steiner. It treats the vineyard as a living organism and uses unique preparations aligned with the cosmic rhythms to enhance the vitality of the soil and plants. Now, let's discuss these methods using a 5-factor framework with a special focus on biodiversity and soil health. First, environmental impact. Conventional is often criticized for its reliance on synthetic chemicals, which can lead to soil degradation and a decrease in biodiversity. Organic production reduces chemical runoff and promotes greater biodiversity through naturally derived pest management and fertilization techniques. Finally, biodynamic integrates crop rotations, intercropping, livestock management to further enhance biodiversity and create a balanced ecosystem. Let's examine health and safety. So conventional definitely raises concerns about chemical residues. Organic is preferred for its lack of synthetic pesticides and GMOs, appealing to more health-conscious consumers. Biodynamic also employs chemical-free and holistic practices that may contribute to overall plant and consumer health. Third up is quality and taste. Conventional is known for consistency and high-volume output. Organic often yields a more authentic taste reflecting the true character of the grape and the terroir. Biodynamic claims to produce superior wines with unique expression of the vineyard's terroir due to its holistic management practices. Fourth, let's look at cost and accessibility. Conventional is generally more affordable and widely available. Organic can incur higher cost due to more labor-intensive practices and lower yields. Biodynamic typically is the most expensive due to its detailed and laborious biodynamic practices. So finally, let's examine certification regulation. Conventional is subject to standard agricultural regulations, but lacks specific chemical restrictions. Organic requires strict adherence to certified organic standards. And biodynamic follows biodynamic certifications that covered organic standards and additional biodynamic methods. So in focusing on biodiversity and soil health, organic farming can improve soil structure through things like natural composting and minimal tillage, enhancing soil life, although these practices are not required for certification. Biodynamic farming takes these further with preparations designed to invigorate the soil and plant growth, fostering a deeper ecological balance and more dynamic soil and health management. Things like animal and wildlife integration and natural composting are required for certification. In conclusion, exploring these wine production methods helps us appreciate the complexity of viticulture and the agricultural landscape in general. Whether your priorities lie with sustainability, health, or taste, each method offers distinct advantages and challenges. Thanks for joining, and cheers.